What's the meaning of bell? Bell. Bell.
Bell. Bell. Bell refers to a hollow instrument, typically made of metal and having the shape of a deep inverted cup. It is used for various purposes, such as signaling, announcing, or sounding an alarm. The word bell can also be used metaphorically to signify the start of something, such as a new day or a new era. Bells have been an essential part of human societies for thousands of years, and their significance can be found in various cultures and religions across the world. In addition to their practical uses, bells are often used for artistic, musical, and decorative purposes, adding to their cultural and historical importance.